Imagine unlocking the door to your dream home. What if the key wasn't just in finding the perfect location, but also in understanding a simple 3-digit number?
That's right. We're talking about the credit score. You cited gatekeeper to make it your homeownership dreams a reality.
Hello, I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra. We are with Empire Fine Homes. And today we're diving into an essential topic for home buyers: understanding your credit score.
Your credit score is a snapshot of your financial reliability. It's crucial for lenders to assess your ability to repay a mortgage.
This score influences not just your mortgage approval, but also the terms and rate you'll be offered. It is a key piece in the puzzle of home affordability.
That's right, Alejandra. Credit score ranges from 300 to 850. A higher score indicates lower risk to lenders, potentially leading to better mortgage rates.
While the median credit score for mortgages borrowers is around 770, there is room for further flexibility. A score of 740 or above is generally seen as very good, but it's not an absolute requirement for home buying.
Lenders use credit scores to inform their decision, but it's not the sole factor. Each has its own criteria and acceptable risk levels.
There's no universal cutoff score. It's about the bigger financial picture, which includes your income, debt to income ratio, and more.
Improving your score starts with your payment history. Consistently making payments on time is crucial.
What's your credit utilization too? Using a small portion of your available credit, it's better for your score. And try to limit new credit applications before house shopping to avoid temporary dips from hard inquiries.
When facing credit challenges, start by reviewing your credit reports for errors. Correcting inaccuracies can boost your score and your buying potential.
With your credit check, getting pre-qualified by a lender is your next step. It outlines what you can afford and signals your seriousness to sellers.
Keep in mind, a pre-qualification letter isn't set in stone. Your credit must remain stable or improve for pre-qualification to loan approval.
Avoid new credit cards or loans and ensure your accounts stay current. Any downward hit in your credit could jeopardize your pre-qualification.
Navigating your credit score is a critical step towards home ownership. It shapes your mortgage options and ultimately your home buying success.
And remember, whether you are starting to explore the market or ready to take the leap into homeownership, we are here to help you every step of the way with personalized advice and insights.
Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Here for more insights into home buying, selling, and everything in between.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our updates designed to guide you through the complexities of real estate and help you make informed decisions.